Hello everyone. Today we are at one of the beautiful locations, one of our customers, and I want to share with those who interested in get their greenhouse down below the freezing point level. So in our case, the customer have digged 1 foot to 14 inches of the soil. Then he have a crushed rock on it, perfectly elevated level, and he have these beams right here, and those beams going to be pretty much level. That's the customer preference, but I would suggest to get the beams inside the rocks as well. And that's what it looks like when I'm talking about building greenhouse below the freezing point level. This is going to be entrance. They were supposed to make this a little bigger in front, but I guess we're gonna just step from here all the way in. And greenhouse base will be designed right on top of it. So as you can see, is elevation is about the bottom of the base going to be flush with the soil. I asked them to get this down, but that's the way they prefer. Again, thanks for watching this video. I hope this will going to give you some ideas on how to build a greenhouse below the freezing point level, so you can get the base inside the soil.